Almost all of the data you and your almost 6 billion fellow internet users use lives in computers in huge data centers around the world. Your old emails, websites you want to visit, your photos in cloud storage, your Facebook posts. Data centers are huge buildings with aisle upon aisle of cabinets, with racks of computers that process, transmit, and store data. There are different kinds of servers, like web and email, and other equipment like routers and switches, all connected by fiber optic and copper cable. Servers almost all use Linux operating systems, though Windows is used for special applications. Software programs running on some servers create a server within a server, known as a virtual machine. There are over 5,000 data centers in the U.S. Computers use electricity and generate heat as a byproduct of electrical resistance, so cooling equipment is a major part of data centers, which usually also requires electricity. Data centers don't require a lot of human supervision, but physical security like fences and cameras are needed to protect their operation. Data centers are operated by the government and large companies like Amazon, Google, IBM, and Microsoft. Data centers make money by charging companies for storage and hosting websites. Co-location centers rent out space to people who want to house their own equipment there. With more of us all the time storing old emails and photos of sunsets in the cloud and then forgetting about them, you might wonder if we will run out of storage space. No problem, we can just build more data centers, right? Data centers need suitable land in areas where they are permitted by local regulations and not in areas where natural disasters like earthquakes or floods are common. They need access to a reliable power supply, water for cooling, network connectivity, and a pool of skilled IT workers. They need to be close to users, but not in places where neighbors might object on the basis of aesthetics, noise, or environmental concerns. All these considerations mean that you just can't build data centers anywhere. In the U.S., 80% of data centers are in only 15 states. But an even bigger problem is the huge amount of electricity that data centers use, currently about 4% of the U.S. electricity usage. Because artificial intelligence requires a lot more computing power than traditional algorithms, the growth of AI may push data center energy consumption to unsupportable levels. Since electricity is sometimes generated by burning fossil fuels, some people worry that more data centers will increase greenhouse gases. The industry has approached these problems in two ways. One is by more efficient use of energy, use of renewable energy, and by devising new ways to cool data centers, like liquid immersion cooling, which uses less power but is pretty expensive. Locating data centers in areas with cold climates and availability of renewable resources, like parts of Canada, Iceland, Norway, Finland, or Sweden, may help. Another way is to remind users that free storage has limits and to charge them for more storage. Consumers can choose to delete some emails and files in cloud storage. All in all, data centers are pretty heavy installations, not at all like the fluffy image conjured up by the name cloud. Watch our video, Secrets of the Mesh, What is the Cloud, to find out how this word came to mean the internet. Also, watch our other videos in this series about internet infrastructure. Listen in the description below.